Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Ni Hamuda, and before we proceed to the tutorial today, I'd like you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. And don't forget to like this video because it does encourage me to create more videos like this. And I'd love to see your comments too. All right, we will proceed to logo design tutorial right now. Okay, before then, I would like to recognize two of my subscribers. Like I told you, any video I do, I would recognize randomly two subscribers, make a shout out to them. And so for today, I'm going to make a shout out to two of my subscribers right now. Magic SD, thank you for your support. And the other person is Mac Crystal. Thank you so much, bro. Much love. Alright, so if you want to be mentioned in my next video, do where to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Straight up, let's go. So today, the design we're going to be doing is a logo design for a firm. Let's get it here. Okay, so this is it. The brand name we're working with is Kate Foods, and they're into um, catering services. Okay, core values are customer care, excellence, quick delivery. The brand color is yellow, red, and white. Okay, so you need to understand what your the brand you are designing logo for, what they are about, so that you know the exact color you're going to be using. For instance, it's a food brand. Because it's a food brand, you want to make sure that you are using colors that are associated with food, like red, yellow, okay, green grass, right? So um let's go and all right, so let's get this. So the brand name is Kate's Foods. Right, so this is Kate for instance. Okay, so we only use good and black. Right, so right then I'll copy this guy here. Right, so I'll use this create font for it. Right. So okay, so like I said, the color's gonna be red. That's the round color. So I'm using very dark colors here. This part. So, okay. Alright, so let me get it. Right here. Nice. so let's get the icon that will represent what we use. Okay, so I want to use a love shape, and then I will use okay,